Have you ever wondered why persistent snoring could be alarming? Sleep apnea is a condition where breathing repeatedly stops and starts during sleep, mainly affecting middle-aged males and obese individuals. Key symptoms include loud snoring, often a sign of airway obstruction, morning headaches resulting from low oxygen levels, and excessive daytime fatigue due to disrupted sleep cycles. It's crucial to consult a healthcare professional if you experience these symptoms, as it aids early diagnosis and management. Always remember, this is for informational purposes only, not a diagnosis. Stay informed and prioritize a healthy lifestyle. Share this video with someone who might experience these concerns, and don't forget to follow us for more health insights.